Hello students, I am Baisakhi Patnaik. In our previous video, we discussed about adjective and its classification or kinds. In this video, we will discuss about degree of adjective or degree of comparison. So let's see these three examples, okay? First example is what? Rama's mango is sweet. Second sentence, Hari's mango is sweeter than Rama's. And the third sentence, what it is? Govinda's mango is the sweetest of all. So, in these three sentences, what you have observed? A sentence 1, the adjective sweet. The adjective sweet tells us that Rama's mango has the quality of sweetness without saying how much quality it has. Okay. But in sentence 2, what you have observed? Now the adjective sweeter tells us that Hari's mango compared with whom? Compared with Rama's. What it has compared? Now has more of the quality of sweetness than Rama's mango. Got it? And in sentence 3, the adjective sweetest. The adjective what? Sweetest tells us that of all these mangoes, Govinda's mango has the greatest amount or the highest degree of quality of sweetness. Okay, that means what you have concluded? Now we have concluded that adjectives changes in form, that is sweet, sweeter, sweetest, to show the comparison. They are called degree of comparison. Understood? These are called what? Degree of comparison. So degree of comparison has been classified by three parts. What it is? That is positive, comparative and superlative. So see, what is positive degree? Now positive degree, it is used when no comparison is made. When there is no comparison, there you can say this is what? Positive degree. For example, the girl is a fast runner. What you have observed in this sentence? Now we are discussing about the girl. Is there any person or thing to be compared? Or it has compared? No, nothing. That means in this sentence only we discuss about this girl. There is no comparison. See, second sentence. In second sentence, what you have observed? What you have observed? Now we have observed that the man is as nice as yours. Yes or no? So here what happens? Now we also talk about two person or two objects over here using positive degree. But we use it when the degree of certain quality in two person is same. ठीक है? That is known as your positive degree. Next is your what? Comparative degree. What is comparative degree? Now it is used when two things or two set of things are being compared. When two things are there you can compare what? That is known as what? Comparative degree. Let's see an example. These trees are taller than those. Understood? Next, see, mangoes are sweeter than grapes. So, what you have observed in these two sentences? Now, we have observed that the adjective, this is what? Taller is adjective over here and sweeter is also the adjective over here. What we have observed? Now, these two adjectives contain ER. That means comparative degree में क्या होता है? We have to utilize what? er to the degree, to the adjective. Understood? Next is superlative degree. What is superlative degree? Now it is used when more than two things are compared. When more than two things are compared. Okay. That is known as superlative degree. More than two things. Let's see an example. What is that? This is the tallest building. That means among these all building, this is the tallest one. So what we have observed? Now tall is the adjective and we have added what? est to the superlative degree or to est to the adjective. Similarly, see the second sentence. Mango is the sweetest fruit. Among these all fruits, mango is the sweetest one. So, sweet is the adjective and est we have added to the adjective. Okay.